This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. Read the code, okay. My lucky numbers. Oh yeah, we have a list of numbers or an array of numbers. We're going to print out the words my lucky numbers. Oh, and then I think we'll actually print out the numbers themselves. Let's see. Yep, that prints out the full array. That's really nice for JavaScript to do that. Oh, well, they've actually added some stuff. Okay. And then use console log to print the list to the console. Create a new list of numbers for my lucky number. Got it. Oh, my unlucky. Okay, it has a different name. All right, right here. So we're going to create a new list called my unlucky numbers. Okay. And then notice they don't have their numbers in quotes, right? Because it's not strings, they're not characters, they're going to be numbers. So 13's a lucky number for mine. I don't know. 2. I'm just going to make things up. 7. Ooh, and my age, because I'm old. 32. Boom. My unlucky numbers. And you can keep going if you want to add more. Hit this arrowy thing. I'm going to say 40 because that age is terrifying. All right. Now, if I hit run, it's not going to print my unlucky numbers because I've only asked it to print the words thus far, right? They already put that in there. How do we print the actual values? Just like this. Their variable, my lucky numbers, they print it right there, or they console log it. So let's go ahead and hit reset. And then to delete these quotes, sometimes I have to move with the arrow keys and get behind the very last one and just delete everything like that. All right, let's give that a shot. Yeah. Ta-da! And we did it. Cool. So we made a list of numbers and we logged it to the console. Awesome. Let's keep going.